Good evening, everyone. This is Alex from Allxon. So firstly, I would like to thank the Advantech invitation that to have this pleasure to introduce our solution, which is highly integrated with Advantech Edge MIC platforms. So today, I would like to introduce three major features. One is auto band management, a BSP, OTA, and the fleet provisioning service that can support all of you and your customers. Okay, so what's Allxon? Who we are? So we are the SaaS company. We're based in Taiwan, but our territory is focused on around the world. So the solution we provided is an open platform that have the end user being able to monitor and manage all the edge devices remotely. So since 2019, we've been joining NVIDIA Jetson ecosystem, so and also the Metropolis systems. So then. The value proposition of our service that we're trying to offer the complete and the comprehensive cloud platform to let end user to manage and monitor all the edge devices. So as you know that normally the one AI project, they will through the POC stage to production stage. And to the POC stage, you probably need to find a good Advantech platform with your good AI model. But when the project is going to production, then the challenge will be from IT to OT, operation technology. Okay, for example, like at the very beginning of the project is going to production, you have to find a way to deploy all your latest software remotely. And then time to time, you have the AI model need to be updated, or you have the system configuration need to be reset. That also remotely is needed. And then time to time, there's you need a 24 hours monitoring and managing to help you to monitor the system when you are not assigned. And then when the disasters happen, you have to find a way to recover that disaster in the shortest time, right? And then if there's any edge device is broken, you have to swap the system. And then when your people on site and then they deploy the system, you hope that all the provisioning, the job can be done automatically. That's all the service that Allxon platform can provide. So instead of the device monitoring, our service is more focused on your whole project life cycle management. So the first service I would like to introduce is fleet provisioning. And the application is autonomous mobile delivery robot. So the challenge is that our customer, in the past, they need to update all the software one by one, but now with Allxon service that you have to set up, you just need to set up, we call the playbook from our portal once, and then all the device in the future, you just need to connect to the internet. Then all the provisioning will be done automatically. Some people also say there's a zero-touch provisioning service. The next service is the camera monitoring. So instead of monitoring the edge device itself, some of our customers, they told us they have the device be connected to this device, to the edge device. So they also need to find a way to monitor all these cameras. So we work with NVIDIA. They have the toolkit called VSC toolkit. So they can use our toolkit plugin, and then now they are able to monitor the camera performance as well. So next service is BSP OTA update service. So you know that to Jetson platform, sometimes NVIDIA will update the Jetpack from like a 4.0 to 5.0. So it's a time-consuming job. And then in the past, you have to find a host machine connect to this device and do the updating one by one. But now you don't need to do this. With Allxon service, the BSP, even the BSP can be updated remotely. So you don't need to send the people on site to do this job anymore. Okay, so next service is Allxon Auto Band service. So the application is a smart parking, the applications. So that the challenge our customers facing is that time to time, there's the crash will happen. It's not because the hardware problem, it's because the software sometimes they just need no responsive. They need to find a way to just turn off the system and then turn on the system. So it's not just the hardware services. We work with Advantech, And then we build up, we call the small subsystem. And then to install in the subsystem, we call the out-of-band module. So now the users can able to remotely turn off the system. Okay, that's easy, right? But you have to find a way to turn on the system. So that's Allxon service can provide. It's very unique. It's also highly integrated to every Advantech MIC Jetson platforms. Then the first version is to support the Ethernet connection. Now I would like to also to take this chance to introduce the new the out-of-band solution that can support wireless environments. So this is a real use case is that as in the traffic flow monitoring system, the edge device is installed in the electric pole. So they use telecom 4G wireless network. So now our out-of-band can also support the 4G and also Wi-Fi network. So now users, they can turn off and then also they can turn on the system remotely via your telecom network environment. Okay, so in summary, that's what our service that be highly integrated with Advantech Edge platform. The first service is easy provisioning. That's the main for the service we call the in-band service that we provide to Advantech customers. And then the next service we call the out-of-band service. So out-of-band service that's very unique. Okay, you need a hardware installation. So if your customer or the end user, they have the requirement, you just need to tell your sales. And then there's a specific part number that you can choose that be installed inside, and then the out-of-band management can be fulfilled. The last that we hope that we can keep working with Advantech to listen to your customers' pain point, and we are flexible. We will create more function. We can provide more service to your customer to try to address every operation issues. Then we hope that the last challenge of the edge AI deployment is the phase deployment and in scale that we can work together, like provide the best service and the best product together with Advantech. Thank you.